Hello, good people. This is Jay from Tech Fun Blaster. Today I'm going to show you how to register a Facebook account. So, usual thing, click on the browser. In my case, it's Microsoft Edge. Click on it and type facebook.com. And after you type facebook.com, now you got the facebook.com website here. And here's the email address you want to enter and the password. In our case, we haven't registered our account information with Facebook. So we have to create one. So below this section, you have an option called create an account. So you just want to enter your first name. It's like a normal filling information, the form filling information. And then you want to enter the phone number. And choose the password of your choice. Then you want to choose the date of birth. And then click on sign up. Now, if you click on sign up, that will show you an information. Enter the code from the SMS message. So let us know if the mobile number belongs to you. So enter the code and send the message. So in my case, I've entered the number and I will be receiving a text message. So through that, we can register ourselves. So I received the text message, and I remind you that it should be a smartphone or a cell phone to receive the text message. If you got a land phone or anything, you won't be able to receive it. So you should have a smartphone or or a cell phone with a normal text and call. So I got the code. So I'm typing the code. And then click on continue. So you got the account confirmed and then click on OK. Now, if you like to add some friends or family members, it automatically pop up with some information. So uh, it's not necessarily that you have to do it right now. I will show you how to use Facebook in another video, and you can click on next. There you go. So this is the Facebook. So you have created a Facebook account, and this is the way you get registered. Thank you, friends. I'm glad I've shared the knowledge with you. Please subscribe to my channel, Tech Fun Blaster, and click on the bell icon to see my notification.